Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here again with another video regarding the VMware Foundation and VMware Cloud Foundation pricing and packaging, and that's like really deep dive regarding also the features of each packages or each edition of VMware E6i, which is we have on new model. Uh, I already prepared and created videos regarding how you can calculate your CPU amount of licensing for a vSAN and something like really handy for your future if you like to move your licensing model from perpetual to subscription model to the new model of VMware by Broadcom. Uh, I will link or put it on the top of the video. You can simply, if you didn't watch it already, you can simply click on it and watch it again. And after that, you can come back to this video and go inside and deep dive of what we have on each uh, package, I would say. So I start with VMware vSphere Essential, VMware vSphere Standard. In a VMware vSphere Standard, as you can see on the left side, we have vSphere Standard. It means we have uh, ESXi, and also we have vCenter Standard there. There is no perpetual licensing model any longer. You have to go for subscription model. And the amount of CPU, which is you can start for ordering your actual license is 16 core per CPU. And actually the I would say support is a little bit uh, difficult today for explanation, but you need to also order if you want. You can order your license per core of CPU, you know, and that's an I would say new package, that's a new package from the VMware that called vSphere Standard with the new model of subscription. And there is absolutely no add-ons in there. As you know, we have totally different add-ons already for different packages, but that add-ons totally available by uh, VCF and VVF. That's not available by vSphere Standard or Essential Plus. Okay, and in vSphere Standard, we have a lots of uh, I would say features, which is I can't say that all inside that videos because it took take really long time, but simply you can go to VMware Digital Marketing, and actually there is an PDF that called VMware vSphere Pricing White Paper. You can simply go through and read the all features one by one in actually digital marketing of VMware by Broadcom. I will go for next one. That's vSphere Essential Plus. That's totally now different than old days, and we have now that vSphere Essential Plus that can support up to 3 E6i hosts for you with 96 cores of CPU. And as you can see here, 16 cores per CPU is a minimum for a licensing, and you can order it like that, and simply you can use it if you have maximum 3 ESXi hosts in your environment, you know. And the licensing model is exactly like before. That's a subscription, like that previous slides for vSphere Standard. There's nothing changed regarding that subscription model. They are all follow the subscription model. And regarding that features, if you want to go inside, I would say for vSphere Essential Plus, you have that hypervisor there. You can have like that vShield endpoint. You can have vSphere replication. You can have that quick boot. You can have vSphere vMotion, cross vSwitch vMotion. I would say you can have vSphere HA. You can have that FIPS model 140. You can have, for example, support for Microsoft VBS that supports Windows 10 and Windows 2016 security features. You can have that native key provider inside. You can have or use or enable the TPM for more security. Uh, and after that, you can have, for example, something regarding that vSphere brain metrics for uh, consume less power for your workloads. That will be all available in that feature. I would say that Essential Plus, and absolutely there is no add-ons. And if you're looking for add-ons, I would say you need to look after that vSphere Foundation, for example. There is a vSphere Foundation. You have the package like vSphere Essential Plus, including Tanzu, Kubernetes Grid, and vCenter. You have like that vCenter Enterprise. That vCenter Enterprise works like 100 gigabyte per core if you like to order that. And you have a standard of ARIA suite inside also. Like before, like the uh, previous slides, you have to order like subscription model, the new subscription model. There is a 16 core per CPU, and that's a minimum amount of ordering. And also, if you like to use or have that recent enterprise in your environment, the first 100 gigabyte is free, but if you like to use more, you have to actually do like calculation of how much you need, and after that order amount of needed license for your environment. And we have a lots of add-ons in there. I will cover that all in the different videos, but for now, just I like to introduce you, for example, on a new model of that packaging from that VMware. And for today, or for this video, the last one is VMware Cloud Foundation. As you can see, you have lots of flexibility and more products inside, like vSphere Enterprise Plus, including TKG. It means that Tanzu, Kubernetes, Grid is inside. Also, you have vCenter inside. You have vCenter Enterprise per terabyte. You have the Enterprise package from that ARIA suite inside. You have NSX, HCX, and lots of different actually software inside. Simply you can use in future if you need those. But absolutely you need that SCDC manager inside, because you have to manage your workloads and work domains and everything with that SCDC manager. And like the previous slides, that's again the amount of minimum CPU stands for 16 core per CPU. That subscription model is like before. You can have that vSAN regarding 1 KB per core, and the lots of different add-ons will be available, more than VMware vSphere's Foundation or VVF for you. And I would say I will cover the rest of add-ons and something like price comparison, which is we can compare that price from the past to the now, from the old model to the new model. And after that, we can simply calculate those and say, okay, the new model is really effective, and I like to be stay with VMware products and order the new subscription, for example, or no, I like to move my products, I don't know, to the other hypervisor. That's your choice. And thank you so much for watching my videos and support me. If you like that video, simply click on the like button. If you don't subscribe to my channel or didn't subscribe to my channel, please simply subscribe to my channel. And if you like to know when my new videos uploads, there simply click on rings. Thank you so much. Stay with me. Stay tuned.